I've been seeing the latte makeup trend, and the creator of it is Tennille J. She is incredibly talented. I'm gonna leave some clips right here of her work. Boom, bam, bop. Now let's get into it and recreate this. She goes in with a radiance booster from Iconic London. I'm gonna be going in with e.l.f.'s Halo Glow liquid filter and Rare Beauty's liquid luminizer in the shade Reflect, and the one in e.l.f. is in the shade 6. Going in with the e.l.f. product on the back of my hand, and also mixing in the luminizer from Rare Beauty. This should give us the perfect shade. And she applies it on the perimeter. Look at that. Then she goes in with a caramel toned cream bronzer. She does not apply the product directly to her face, but she takes it on the back of a brush and then she just kind of swipes. The layering of those products looks so nice. And then she just puts this in the places that you would like contour and bronze. And then she takes it on the forehead as well. So I'm just gonna saturate my lids with that same cream bronzer and bring it out like that. And then she goes with that cream bronzer and she outlines her lip. Going in with a lighter shade of a cream bronzer, we're gonna go ahead and sculpt the nose. I'm gonna take this to the brow. Match the nose. Taking some of that cream bronzer underneath our eyes. Then she applies concealer in these places, like here, who's here, the nose. I'm just gonna do the baby's amount of concealer. Blending it out. She takes like a nude brown pencil and just goes on the top of the lid, brings it out. It's on the bottom as well. For those that want something deeper, she suggested the Moira Cosmetics Gemini palette. She said this palette has the most perfect yellow browns. Going into the shade right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same shade and set the cream pencil underneath. Now we're gonna go in with the shade Cupcake. Now I'm just gonna take a clean brush with no product and just blend. She says for a latte look not to go in with black eyeliner, so I'm going in with like a brown one. Going in with the Empowered palette from Huda Beauty, we're gonna use the shade Manifest It. This one right here for the inner corner. She says to go in with a shade that's not too far off from your skin tone. I'm gonna go in with Bold Moves. That's really pretty. She says to apply some mascara. I'm going in with one of my favorite mascaras of all time from Lawless. Look at my lashes. They're so pretty. Also says don't go in with bottom lash mascara because we want to keep that like feline look. A little bit extra, y'all, and go in with this glitter liner from Moira. This is in the shade 11 Stellar. She goes in with like a yellow brown caramel toned lip liner. I'm gonna take this gorgeous lip oil from Jouer in the shade Jolie. It's the most perfect caramel tone. Now I'm gonna go in with this pretty little thing gloss in 08 Dark Nude. So apply this in the center. Just the most perfect caramel lip combo. I'm gonna go in and add some freckles. I'm gonna take the Jason Wu Jason the Freckled Boy and apply it on my fingers. And I really wanna like focus this on my nose. Wait, this is actually a genius way to apply faux freckle. That's so cute. And then I have a little mole right here, which nobody can see. I'm just gonna bring that back to life with my Beauty Bakerie Lollipop Liner. I think I want like a beauty mark right there. That's cute. And then I want like a big one right here. Boop. Oh, she real cute. She real cute. She takes the Givenchy powder and a fluffy brush to set her face. Applies it into the center of her face. She doesn't want to take the glow away. This is something she did not do, but I'm going to be going in with the Hourglass Elephant palette. Going in with the shade to subtly, lightly contour my nose. Focusing it here. And then bringing it down, very softly patting it. I don't even think she used any powder bronzer. And here is the final look. I'm not gonna lie, this makeup technique has me in a chokehold. Almost like the cold girl makeup. This latte makeup might just be my makeup style. I've never felt so beautiful, and I'm not even wearing any false lashes. This makeup, like, I have no powder bronze on. What the heck? I have no blush on. I think I want to cry. Tennille, I freaking love you. I can't wait to get your brushes, because I know that with your makeup brushes and your latte makeup technique, oh, I'm going to feel like the freaking vampires from Twilight, like the Amazons. This is front camera. I'm gonna switch it to the back so you guys can see. This is back cam. I'm emotional. I'm not washing this off. Like, this is gonna stay on all day.